This one is too deep to keep. At 3 a.m. this morning, God interrupted my sleep because he wanted to speak. He said, "Dear single brothers, don't miss your blessing because it's not dressed in what you were expecting. She may actually be the one for you. She's just in her raw form. Gold may have been passing you by. You didn't say hi because her appearance didn't catch your eye. If you knew what she carried, you wouldn't be in a hurry to say bye. Look inwardly, look carefully. Take off your physical lenses, look spiritually. Not all products come in the best packaging. That's why you need a spiritual approach when you're searching. Some amazing contents don't have the best containers. That's why you can't make your decision just based on the outer. You might have seen her in her downtime, but if she dressed up, she fine, man. That girl fine. Open your eyes and see, not what she is, but what she can be. I gotta go now. BYE. Bye.